Stop scrolling, your phone's plastic can heal itself. The future is already here. What if I told you the plastic in your next smartphone could heal itself, your car dashboard could be made from plants, and plastic could replace metal wires? This is not science fiction. This is already happening. Today we are entering the era of next generation plastics materials that are smarter, cleaner, and completely changing manufacturing. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to spot these future plastics in real life. Let's jump in. Why plastics are evolving. Traditional plastics were designed for one thing: cheap, strong mass production, but today's world demands more: lower emissions, longer product life, smarter materials, less waste. So engineers didn't replace plastics, they upgraded them. Meet the plastics of the future. 1. Self-healing plastics. Yes, plastics that repair themselves. Inside these materials are either tiny microcapsules filled with healing chemicals or special molecular bonds that reconnect automatically. When a crack forms, the plastic literally heals itself. No glue, no repair work. Where are these used? EV battery housings, aerospace panels, high-end phone bodies. How do you spot them? If scratches slowly disappear after resting or heating, you're looking at self-healing plastic. Manufacturers often call it damage-tolerant plastic or autonomous repair polymer. This single innovation can double or even triple product life. 1. Bio-based and carbon-negative plastics. Here's something crazy. Some modern plastics are made from corn, sugarcane, algae, and even captured carbon dioxide. Instead of releasing carbon, they actually store it. That's why some are called carbon-negative plastics. Where are they used? Food packaging, automotive interiors, consumer electronics. How do you spot them? Look for labels like bio-based, carbon-neutral, or plant-based plastic. They often have a slightly matte finish and natural off-white or earthy colors. Plastic, but eco-engineered. 1. Electrically conductive plastics. This one surprises most people. Some plastics can conduct electricity. No copper, no metal wires. The conductivity is built directly into the polymer structure. Where are these used? Touch sensors, EMI shielding, wearables, flexible electronics. How do you spot them? They're usually black or dark gray. They feel slightly rubbery, and they're often marked as ESD safe or conductive polymer. Plastics are no longer just insulators. They are becoming electronic materials. 1. Shape memory and smart plastics. Imagine a plastic that remembers its shape. You bend it, twist it, heat it, and it snaps back like nothing happened. These are called shape memory plastics. Where are they used? Medical devices, adaptive air vents, aerospace components, robotics. How do you spot them? They deform easily when warm and return to their original shape when cooled. You'll often hear terms like adaptive plastic, 4D plastic, or responsive polymer. Here, material intelligence replaces mechanical complexity. 1. Fully recyclable high-performance plastics. Old recycling melts plastic and weakens it every time. New recycling breaks plastic back into molecules. This is called chemical recycling. The result: near virgin quality, high strength, infinite reuse potential. Where are these used? Automotive structural parts, appliances, industrial housings. How do you spot them? Look for closed-loop recycling, manufacturer take-back programs, or infinite recyclability claims. High performance without landfill guilt. Quick spotting guide. Here's a simple cheat sheet. Scratches disappear, self-healing plastic, plant icons or carbon claims, bio-based plastic, dark color with ESD marking, conductive plastic, changes shape with heat, shape memory plastic, chemical recycling mentioned, next-gen recyclable plastic. Once you notice these signs, you'll see future plastics everywhere. Future impact. Next generation plastics mean lighter products, fewer parts, longer life, lower emissions. For engineers, more design freedom. For manufacturers, lower cost and waste. For the planet, a cleaner future. Plastics are not disappearing, they're evolving. If this video helped you understand future materials, hit the like button. It really supports the channel. Subscribe for more videos on plastics, manufacturing and engineering explained simply, and comment below which future plastic surprised you the most. The future is plastic, just not the plastic you grew up with. Welcome back to UG Mold Tech. We're building materials that repair, adapt and last. That's the revolution.